Hi, my name is Kiri, and in this video I'm going to show you an app I created as a Mod 4 project for Flatiron School Software Engineering Bootcamp. My project is called Crabble, and it is a social gaming app built with Ruby on Rails backend and JavaScript and React for the front end. When we get to the landing page, we are greeted with a login form. There's an option below that to create a new account. Let's click on that and make a new user. Authentication is handled with JWT. After we sign up, we're greeted with the user's homepage. At the top, we have a panel showing the user's name with wins and losses. Below that on the left side, we have a panel that displays a friend list. Since we are a new user, we have no friends yet, so let's use the search function to find some. Here we can find other users and make a friend request. Friend requests are shown as pending until they are approved by another user. On the right panel, we have an active games list. In this app, you're only allowed to play games with users that are on your friends list. So now let's log out and log in as another user. Here on our user page, we can see that our friends list is populated with users. Some are pending, and some are waiting our acceptance, and some are already accepted. We can start a new game with the one that is accepted. When we start a new game, it's added to the active game list as a pending game, and it's not actually started until the opponent accepts it and goes first. Also on the active game list, we can also see games that we can start, accept, and games that are already in progress. Let's accept this game. Now we can see our game board pops up, and we can see our rack with pieces on the bottom of the board. On the right of the screen, we also see our scoreboard, and below that we see our control panel. At this point, we can click and drag pieces onto the game board and place them to make a word. On the control panel, we can push the reset button to pull all of our pieces back. We can click repick, and that passes our turn and draws new pieces. There's a pass button to just pass your turn to the other user. And then when you're happy with your reward, you can click on the submit button. When you click on the submit button, passes a turn and the score is tallied. When we click on submit, we can see that the scoreboard updates. Players alternate turns until all the pieces are used or a player forfeits. Now let's go back and see a game that's in progress. Here we can see that the board is filled out with a bunch of turns, and we can keep playing until it's finished. We can play multiple games at a time with different users and have multiple games with the same user. And that is Crabble. Thanks for watching.